guys, welcome to Bestsub TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you our new craft heat press. It's a must-have for you if you want to start a new sublimation printing and vinyl transfer DIY home business, or if you have a small workroom, or if you are looking for some small and portable sublimation heat presses. Our new press comes in this very cute baby pink color and this compact size. It only weighs about 35 pounds and very easy to carry it around. You can just put it in your car and take it to a trade fair for some on-site customization, or you can take it to your friend's house so you guys can make some DIY items together, or you can just place it at home or in your workshop. This cute pink color will add some brightness. And it only takes up a little desktop space, so if you have a small workroom, that's okay. This compact craft press can totally fit in. And although it's compact in size, it can offer a large working area of 23 by 30 centimeters, capable to fully print out an A4 size design, and which is so perfect for printing a t-shirt, a tote bag, and a pillow cover, or printing several small items together, such as some keychains, some coasters, and some hanging ornaments. And it has this very sturdy baseboard with a silicone mat. It can hold all the items I just mentioned, and the stand below is adjustable. It can make the machine stand firmly on your desk. And our craft press comes with this clamshell heat button. It can heat evenly, and it can be closed and open up with this easy grip handle. And on the top of the heat button is the pressure knob, turning clockwise to increase the pressure and anti-clockwise to decrease the pressure. And here is the control panel with a display screen. You can set printing time and the temperature here to print different products we want to print. So next, let's see how to do the settings. It's very easy to set the parameters. First, turn on the machine and the switch is on the back. Now the screen is on and you can see 4 buttons on the control panel. Set button, minus and plus buttons, and the clear button. Press set button once and press plus and minus buttons to adjust the temperature. Then press set button again, then press plus and minus button to adjust the time. Then press set button one more time to save all the settings. And this machine can remember how many times you have used it. You can see the number of use under the time. And if you have a large amount of products to print, you can press the clear button for about 8 seconds to reset the counter. Then do the mass printing, so the machine can count how many items you have printed. Now we know how to use it. Let's print some items. First, put a piece of protective paper to prevent the inks from going onto the silicone mat. Last, put another piece of protective paper on the top so the inks will not stick on the heat pattern. remember to put a piece of silicone paper on the top to prevent the fabric from sticking on the heat pattern. Before printing, peel off the protective film on the aluminum insert. Before printing, flip all the sequins to the right side and peel off the back film and then place it on the t-shirt. I'm going to print the sequin adhesive and fix it on the t-shirt at the same time. You need to flip all the sequins over when they are still hot. Here are more products this little craft press can print, and with so many printable items and so many customization possibilities, do you guys want to get this amazing craft heat press? Send an email to best@bestsub.net to place your order. And all the sublimation blanks and multicolored vinyls are also available. And if you have some questions about this machine, you can leave it on the comments below. And if you like this video and if you like BestSub TV, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel so you will get all the updates. And I'm Alex, hope to see you again in my next video.